Wow, good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. This is gorgeous. Discovery 4, sandstone metallic, Zinzerbar metallic, one or the other, saddle leather. Right, this is a landmark. Ooh, top of the range, lots and lots and lots of spec. What a beautiful thing, £18,995. This car has been looked after. Right, so it's a Disco 4 3-litre SD V6 landmark automatic 4-wheel drive Euro 6 start-stop 2016, 104,000 miles, about 7 or 8 services just been serviced with new brake discs, obviously an engine service, new front wishbones on the suspension arms on the front. You can see it's got matching Pirelli Scorpion tyres with lots of tread on. It's got a full-size spare wheel with the Pirelli Scorpion tyre on as well. It's got the lock underneath the spare wheel to stop people pinching it. It is lovely. £18,995. 2 owners from new. Serviced at 6, 12, 25, 42, 43, 68, 92 and just serviced at 104. MOT 8th of the 10th. 2026 with no advisories, and in superb condition. Got a tow bar, if for those that want to know, it is the 13-pin more modern type. It's got surround cameras, panoramic sunroofs, privacy glass, running boards, front park sensors, rear park sensors. I'm pretty sure it's got reverse camera, headlamp washers, daytime running lights, big spec 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, new disc and pads front and rear it looks like in this. Just had a big service. Yeah, there's your Land Rover fitted removable tow bar, privacy glass, aluminium roof rails, they're neat. Rear entertainment, in fact we're watching the telly as we speak, in the front and in the rear. Keyless entry, keyless start. Oh, saddle leather, Meridian Hi-Fi, fitted mats with the contrasting edging, they are Land Rover mats. What a beautiful thing. Twin sunroofs. I've got one tilted and slid open. Paddle gear change, electric steering column, memory seats, heated seats, television, DVD, you can play your DVDs, heated seats, DAB radio, Bluetooth. Probably got a chiller in the centre console because it seems to have everything else. No, it doesn't have a chiller in the centre console. But it does seem to have everything else. So surround cameras, so that's front camera, rear camera and cameras in the wing mirrors. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Obviously 7 seats, telly's on, there's the remote, load covers in there, 7 seats are up but the headrests are folded down. Beautiful. Just put this window up, I don't know why that's down. Yeah, reverse camera, it's there, thought it was. Landmark model, super, super, super clean. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Got the catch to let yourself out if you're in the boot, nice. No dents, no scratches, paintwork looks all original. Really, really, really clean thing. This drives beautifully. Matching Pirelli Scorpions, new discs on the back, new discs on the front, running boards, front mud flaps, immaculate alloy wheels, cameras, black grille, not gone discoloured, not covered in stone chips, no chips in the windscreen, 2 keys. Memory seats, Meridian Hi-Fi, folding mirrors, electric mirrors, obviously auto lights, heated leather steering wheel, voice command, 104,880 miles, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, all the surround cameras. Apparently it has got automatic high beam assist. Automatic high beam assist. Let me show you the reverse camera. It has got one, I've seen, it's lovely. On the headlamps, well, if we pop that in reverse, it should go straight to reverse camera. I don't know why this isn't focusing. Yeah, but it has a nice reverse camera. Electronic handbrake, obviously. All the off-road modes. Heated steering wheel, heated seats, electric seats, memory seats, 7 seats. Right, I think we know that is lovely. Please visit www.vmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. There'll be quite a few Discovery 4s. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.